Today I present you cuttlefish stew without tomato, a delicate dish where the flavor of the sea is enhanced through the aroma of garlic and parsley faded with white wine. For this recipe you will need 1 kilogram of cleaned cuttlefish, 2 cloves of garlic, parsley, a glass of white wine, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and fish stock or water. Start by cleaning the cuttlefish, removing the insides, the mouth, and the outer skin. Cut them into strips or pieces according to your preference. In a large pan, heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and add the whole garlic cloves, letting them brown. Once the garlic is golden, add the cuttlefish to the pan and let them sauté for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. When the cuttlefish have taken on color, deglaze with the glass of white wine, letting the alcohol evaporate on high heat. Lower the heat, cover with a lid, and cook for about 30 minutes, adding a ladle of fish stock or water occasionally to keep the sauce moist. Season with salt and pepper to taste, remembering that the flavor of the cuttlefish intensifies with cooking. At the end of cooking, remove the garlic and add some chopped fresh parsley. Serve the cuttlefish hot with crusty bread, or if you prefer, accompany them with some polenta. Cuttlefish stew is a very versatile dish that recalls the cooking of the past, where ingredients were celebrated in their simplicity and purity. If you like our content, remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website for other delicious recipes.